this is all the stuff that I purchased at Dollar Tree. And this is gonna be for a mermaid theme party for the candy table, containers, trays, whatever you guys want to call them. And then this one is like a unicorn themed. I also found these at Dollar Tree. These are lip glosses, but they're so pretty. You can use this to decorate the candy table and have your guests take them since they are lip glosses. Or you could put them inside a little gift bag. I got 6 of those. I also bought this one. I figured I can spray paint it and decorate the wall, like a prop wall or like a photo booth wall. I also found these. So these are gonna be for the mermaid party. And since my niece is gonna have a unicorn party, I can use little horns in there for the unicorn, that one right there. So this is gonna work for both parties. I bought 3 bags since they only had one big one each, and I'll use all 3 of them. I also bought this adhesive diamond wrap. I think it's gonna look very pretty on the vases. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it on this one. I'm also gonna reuse these. We purchased these at our local 99-cent store. This was from Dollar Tree, but we've had these for a while. We usually just reuse these for our parties, so I'm just gonna take this off and reuse it. If I do spray paint any of them, it's gonna be with this glue, and I'm actually gonna spray paint a few of the seashells to use on these for decoration. And I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do with them. I think I'm gonna wrap this around or ribbon, I'm not too sure yet, and then I'll put the shell in the center. I really like the color on these. They look very pretty, so I'm not gonna spray paint these. I might just use these as they are. This is what I'm gonna use for my unicorn themed ones. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna position this one yet, but I'll show you guys. But I will spray paint these to use on my vases. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I bought these from Dollar Tree, and what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna create like a belt, because I don't want to glue this straight to the vase, because I am gonna reuse these. And this is just gonna be to show you guys what you guys can do for party either centerpieces or candy table. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did. I just grabbed this sheet that it came with. It came with 2, and I'm just gonna cut that part in half, and then this one as well. So that way, instead of just having 2, you have 4. And we measure around here and leave some little extra space on there, like that. And then what I'm gonna do is grab 2 of these and put them on here.
So you took the Little Caesars extra what's best as pizza and stuff more cheese with the crust? Yeah. Huh. Poor guy.
And then the other side of that, I'm going to layer it on here. So it can be the exact measurement. This thing got stuck. Okay. So I won't do it wrong. I'm just gonna overlap it like that. And then you can put it in the middle, or on the top, or in the bottom, wherever you want. And for this, I'm gonna take it off so that I can finish decorating this. I'm gonna call it a belt. So here is the finishing product, and again, I didn't want to just glue it on here because I do plan on reusing these vases for the unicorn theme party and just future parties that I plan on doing, or my family plans on doing. I hope you guys like it, and thank you guys for watching.